bike is badass.
Sorry, y'all, I'm eating pizza, but this is exactly why my wife cannot leave me alone and let me go to places by myself. Bad things happen when I go to places by myself. I'm here at Seminole Powersports. Oh God, bad things happen. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. I'm here checking out the Kawasaki Good Times tour. It's a demo tour where you get to ride different Kawasaki models. I rode the 2020 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. I think it was pretty cool. We are out here at Seminole Powersports in Sanford. I'm trying to see if I can get their logo back there behind me. That should be good. Seminole Powersports out here in Sanford, Florida, man. It's not. What is going on, people? It is your boy, That Guy Ike. You're checking out another episode of One Race Lifestyle.
Helmets, make sure you have your helmets buckled.
And I'm on the Kawasaki Good Times Demo tour. And I'm riding the 2020 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. And we're gonna see how this bad boy moves and rides. Trying to get these mirrors adjusted a little bit. Get in. So this bike that I'm riding does have a quick shifter up, from what they told me. It does have ABS, it does have traction control, it does have different modes, and it sits pretty leaned over. So we're gonna ride this bad boy and see how it is. I don't know. I hope it catches the dash.
Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're ready. Awesome. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have.
And we're gonna get ready to ride this bad boy. Hopefully, I have enough footage on the camera to get enough coverage on it.
Followed by a ZX-6R, followed by a Versa 650, Ninja 400.
It sits very, 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 very leaned over. Wow. I'm trying to get everything down. I got to get used to this bike. I probably should have got used to it before I got on it, but it should be interesting. It feels good though. The clutch is like hella smooth on this bike. This is actually one of the bikes I was looking at getting after I got the GSX 250R. So this is one of the newer bikes I was looking at. This bike is comfortable. Comfortable. Uh-oh, somebody can't clutch. Uh-oh, let's get these cars going. Come on, man. Let's go, baby. Let's ride. Where'd they go? I guess everybody's making a turn right here. Back in first. Oh, come on, man. I'm trying to ride with the people. But this clutch is hella smooth on this bike, man. I like it. It does have, it looks like it got HIDs in the headlights from looking at the back of this vehicle in front of me. We got the new lead vehicle. That just came up to show us where to go because we got caught at the light for the other one. He's riding the Kawasaki Versus. It's a nice bike. That one has like crazy preloads for luggage and extra people, and it's all electronic. It's pretty insane. But I really hope y'all can hear me. And we're just riding, man. Again, I'm on the 2020 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. And I'm at the Kawasaki Good Times Demo tour. I'm just going to ride out. I figure I'd kill some time. It's Valentine's Day. Funny story. I actually happened to be scrolling through the book of faces. And I actually seen the post that they were going to be here at Seminole Powersports. We're at Seminole Powersports here in Sanford, Florida. And when I seen the post that they were going to be here, my wife actually just happened to tell me that, that she had to work on Valentine's Day. That she had to work on Valentine's Day, so. So I was like, oh man, I guess I'll find something to do. Man, this shit is good. And I forgot we're riding this tag in formation. rolling. Rolling, 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 rolling. Where are we going? We're rolling, 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 rolling. Riding staggered with the squad. Let's go. The light is green, baby. Let's go. There we go. Yo, the clutch on this bike is hella smooth. Oh my god, I need one of these. I see why. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I see why Kawasaki got their fanboys. Yo, the clutch on this bike is so freaking smooth. You can't even hate. Let me slow it down a little bit. Let me slow it down a little bit. I'm getting kind of excited. I just don't really care for the ergonomics of where like the turn signal is. I really don't care for that. Oh, we're not turning. Okay. Man, this clutch is smooth as hell. Wow. We riding like a gang out here. Gang, gang, gang. Oh my god, this bike rides so good. The brakes are good too. Holy cow. It got that ABS on it. I think the brakes are really, really good on this bike. And it doesn't sit too high off the ground either, which is one thing that I like. It doesn't sit too high. It sits planted. I'm perfectly on the bike. It's not crazy or anything like that. I could fully put my feet down, so it's pretty cool. It's really good. Come on, baby. Find your gear. Man, this bike rides good, bro. Wow, Kawasaki, bravo. Bravo, Kawasaki. Bravo. Bravo, Kawasaki. Because this bike rides freaking awesome. Wow. Alright, so the lead guy got his blinker on, so I'm thinking we're going to go right, which takes us back around 46, which will bring us back around. And this bike rides really, really freaking good. Really good. I like it. I can't complain. We got a whole squad of bikes back there, which is pretty cool. I think it's pretty dope. I need to lift up my visor because it's getting foggy under there. But yeah, man. If I did get a new bike, this one would probably be the bike. I really, really like this one. Even after riding the ZX-6R, even after riding a ZX-6R, this one still rides pretty good. Wow, this bike rides amazing. The power delivery is good. I think you have great bottom end power on this. I haven't even gotten it, like I got it up to 6th gear already, but I, of course, am in a demo tour, so there's only but how fast I can actually go. Let me close this. There's only but how fast I can actually go, but I got it up to 6th gear. I think the power on it is really, really good. Let's see, let's see if I could be a little bit bad. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope everybody else is having a good Valentine's Day. Woo! This bad boy moves. Wow. This bike feels really good, and it's not, and it doesn't give you like, it's not scary kind of power either. It's like, it's just perfect. Like it's just very, very smooth. It's not scary. It's not too fast. It doesn't feel like it'll get away from you type of power. It's delivered really, really good. Man. Kawasaki, y'all did y'all thing on this one, man. Y'all did y'all thing on this bike. I get that to y'all. Y'all seriously did. man. Hey, I rode the 2020 or the 2019 ZX-6R, and now riding this 2020 Ninja. Wow. I really see why Kawasaki has their fanboys. I really, really do. I really, really do see why they have their fanboys. The bike is smooth. The clutch is smooth. I'm only in third right now, and I'm already at 45 riding. And it still has power to give me. Now, I would say, this motor is hot. I can feel it through my riding boots. You don't know, I have TCX riding boots. You can go on my videos further down below where I talk about all the gear that I have. But this bike, oh my God. I'm in love. I'm in love on Valentine's Day. I'm in love on Valentine's Day. Where are we going? I'm truly in love on Valentine's Day. Oh my God. Yo, I would really suggest anybody pick this bike up. 2020 Kawasaki ZX-6R Ninja. The bike is just hella smooth. I like that it gives you a gear indicator. It gives you a clock up there. You got your fuel, which is always good. You don't just have a fuel light. You got your temperature up there. It tells you all your traction controls and what levels of traction control you're on, what power you're on. It does have its air temperature as well, and then it has a standard analog tachometer, which I really love as well. I think you get a better feel from an analog tachometer instead of a digital one. That's just me, although my bike has the digital tachometer on it. But I really, really like this bike. I don't really care for the color. I know they have a blue one that I really like. They have a blue one that's really, really cool. It's actually not blue. It's like gray and blue or something like that. Woo! Come on, baby. Oh, shit. And the brakes grab. Woo! Oh, shit. Let me slow my ass down. Watch out, Kawasaki's bike. Kawasaki, I need to hold one of these for about a week, man. Yo, if you can see my face right now I'm traveling at 46 miles per hour. Kawasaki, I need one of these, bro. I seriously do. You got. I really need for Kawasaki to give me one of these for about a week, man. Please do. One week, let me hold it, and I'll have a lot of fun with this bike. Yo, this joint is amazing. Oh my God. This is a really good bike. I absolutely don't like the color. I don't like the paint scheme on it. I don't like these graphics. I don't like these. I never liked the Kawasaki green. But I do like the the other color, the blue and it's like a gray and blue color, which is pretty cool. But this is pretty awesome. I'm gonna try to load this video probably this weekend as well, because you know, it's Valentine's Day weekend. You know, you gotta chill with the ladies. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all are chilling with y'all loved one, enjoying y'all loved one. I seen a post that I believe Lauren London said. If you don't know who Lauren London is, Google her. She's, you know, Nipsey Hussle's wife, man. You gotta enjoy the people that God loaned to you, because you never know when he's gonna want them back, man. So I make it a point to enjoy my wife and my kids every day, enjoy life. She knows that motorcycles is what I love and this is what I do. So she doesn't mind me being out here, riding around, having a little bit of fun. I'm super safe on the bikes. And this bike is just so freaking awesome, man. So awesome. You should get you one. You really should. This lady next to me is looking at me like I'm crazy because I'm talking to myself. But do I care? Nope. We riding, baby. Let's go. This dude over here next to me, man, need to get out of the way. Oh, 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 oh. Man, this bike rides so freaking good. The power, everything, like, and you know, even with the brakes biting, I mean, it does have ABS, But like I said, even with the brakes biting, if you know how to ride a freaking motorcycle and you're not a jerk face, then you shouldn't really have an issue with the braking on this bike. These brakes, in my opinion, these brakes are actually smoother than the brakes on the GSX-600R. But of course, you know, they're two different bikes. Time to get better. Alright, so we're about to head back over to Seminole Powersports. Man, this is fun. This makes me not even want to like get on my bike. Why is everybody slowing down now? Oh, there's traffic up there. This makes me not even want to ride the you know what I'm saying? The GSX 250R. Come on, baby, go, 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 go. Man, this other dude next to me, man, I think he's scared or something, man. You scared? Then go home. I'm playing, don't say that. He's just being cautious. He's not reckless. I'm not reckless either. I just think I really, you know, I'm okay with riding. Nobody's perfect. As soon as I think I know everything about riding motorcycles, that'll be the last day I ride a motorcycle. Hell yeah. This bike is badass. Yeah, I can use one of these. I definitely could. Alright, so we're getting ready to turn back into Kawasaki. Come on, man. Come on, bro. This bike is freaking awesome, man. Super awesome. I could really rock with this one here. I would say, if you can, get you one of these. Alright, people, there you have it. Let me see if I can find the... There you have it. The 2020 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. Very, very beautiful bike. You should definitely get one. I would highly advise it. Let me see if I can get some footage of the bike, so that I'll try to get the footage with my phone so y'all can see what it looked like, the one that I rode. Saying kind of about the paint scheme. I really don't like the paint scheme on this one, but it is a beautiful bike. It had an acro on it. I think it's cool. That's the one I rode. It was nice.
All right, y'all. So my mouth is full of pizza. My bad for the smacking and chewing. But I'll get out of here. I'm at Seminole Powersports. If you don't see it, back there. Try to see if I can get a focus right there. And I don't know if I should go team green or not. I think it looks good on me. But again, Seminole Powersports. Come out. They're doing the Kawasaki Good Times tour. It's so bad I'm eating while doing this video. But come out. They're doing the Kawasaki Good Times tour in Sanford, Florida. Check them out. Check out all the bikes they got. They got some awesome deals running on the ZX-6R. I rode the ZX-6R today, and I'll give you a little bit of feedback and takeaway that I have about it. All right. I rode the 2020 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. I think it was pretty cool. My takeaways from that bike: I think the clutch was hella smooth. I think the power is delivered really, really smooth. It's not super aggressive. It doesn't feel scary. Throttle response is very good. That one had ABS, which was really good. Brakes did bite good. The brakes on that one were actually better than the ones on the 2020 GSX-6R, which is another bike that I'm looking at. I think the next one I need to ride is the Yamaha R6, because I want to see how that one feels and rides. I heard it kind of feels like a torture machine, but we will see. And yeah, man, I'm about to go inside. I'm about to see if I can steal some more pizza. I know they got some giveaways, so I'm gonna get some of those, and I'll be back. I gotta get back on the bike, mine, because I gotta get home and pick up my kids. All right.